day 25 of 91 living on a cruise ship, and I'm having lunch with me, Cassie. Let me show you what we're having. Having a nice little salad, some chicken. I'm having a chicken sandwich and some rice. So today's a really busy day. I have 3 meetings. My first meeting is with my publicist, and my second meeting is with a lady that takes care of basically Cruise Critic. She's got a website and social media accounts for the Netherlands. And then my third meeting is with my tax person. So just to let you know, the dive-in that has burgers, they also have chicken sandwiches, and they're so good. Look at Cassie's new sunglasses. They're Ray-Bans, and they're so cool. I love it. It is Wednesday. Okay, I live back here. And my crew cabin. So I'm back in the cabin getting ready to have a couple meetings, and Pete is over chilling out because he's on his break. People have asked me what lights I've used for filming here in the cabin. Let me show you. Okay, the first light I use looks like this, and it turns on like that. And then the second light that I use, well, first off, let me show you what this light does for me. It brightens up the area, but then I do an extra light, this one. And I think this one was only I don't know, under 10 bucks. So then I take this light and attach it there. And now I've got really good lighting in the cabin. That's that. I've got to get to meetings. I'm taking everybody to trivia. I got a group together for upstairs for trivia at 4 o'clock. And so you guys are coming with us. Oh, by the way, I invited all the smart people. Okay, all of my meetings are done for the day. It is now 3:30. Let's go to trivia. So trivia takes place almost every day at 4 p.m., even on sea days and on port days. So trivia starts at 4. We're just waiting for everybody to get here. And of course, for trivia time, I had to order a pina colada. That one had all alcohol in it. Many of you asked me if I get a discount, and I do get 50% off drinks. I was at trivia sipping on my pina colada, and no one had shown up yet, and I thought, are my friends gonna just leave me by myself? But here they are. You all know Jim.
Hello everybody, I'm wearing my other Sea Day shirt today.
This is his other Sea Day shirt. And Cassie. So I forgot to tell them that I am horrible at trivia, but they're both really smart, hence the reason I invited them.
Oh, I'm often wrong, but never in doubt.
Yeah?
I'm an ONID, O-W-N-I-D, often wrong, never in doubt.
Okay.
There you have it.
What were you saying about the Big Dipper?
Oh, how many stars are in the Big Dipper?
I don't know.
Well, wrong.
Jim said 7.
The bend is a binary. There's 2 stars in it, and you can see it with the naked eye if the sky's clear. Because I worked at NASA, that's my answer, but I never have gotten it right in trivia yet.
So how many stars are in the Big Dipper?
8.
Oh. Between the two of them, we are totally winning Big Dipper. I'm gonna write the answers. That's my job. This is our trivia sheet. Okay, we have more drinks now. There's our sheet. Jim said if we don't win, he's gonna go yell.
Okay, so I'm gonna yell because I know I'm right.
We're totally winning this. Cassie used to work for NASA. Right, Cassie.
13.
Out of what?
It's out of 15.
Out of 15.
We're smart.
We're the smartest team right in here. Jim, what do you got to say?
I said you should win this, and if you don't, I'm still gonna go yell.
Hey, seriously, we were like the top 3 teams. Okay, I'm back from trivia. I had 2 pina coladas, and seriously, we were second, we were runner up for the winners for trivia, and I actually got some questions right. Like, one of the questions was, what is Cinderella's real name? It's Ella, because they called her Cinderella because of the cinders on her. And then the other question I got right was, what is the name for bad breath? Well, it's halitosis. And the other one I got right is I can't remember. Anyways, I had so much fun. I had 2 pina coladas, and I just love meeting so many friends around the ship, and it's the best part of being on social media is I have all these friends, and I love it. Anyways, we're gonna go to dinner later, and this is, yeah. Did I tell you guys I had 2 pina coladas? I think I better sign off now. Bye.